Welcome to the heavy equipment video. Today I'll show you epic drops, high control skills, and the incredible aesthetics of huge machines. Watch the video to the end. The excavator driver overdid his excavation a little too much, and the huge mass of soil collapsed. Fortunately, no one was injured. I invite you to guess an interesting riddle about heavy equipment. I am always in front of you, but you can never reach me. I am strong and powerful, yet I am also fragile and can break easily. I can move mountains, but a little pressure can cause me to fail. What am I? Write your answers in the comments. I will tell you the correct answer at the end of the video. So watch till the end. It's amazing how an excavator bucket can sink so low when digging. The incredible power of two Cat 980 loaders cannot cope with a huge block of marble. Excessive pressure in the tank squeezed the oil out when the driver decided to open the lid. Write in the comments, what are these guys doing? I'll pin down the most interesting one. This is a powerful wheeled bulldozer made by Caterpillar, capable of pushing and lifting large volumes of material with ease. This bulldozer features large wheels with wide, heavy-duty tires that provide excellent traction, stability, and weight distribution in a variety of ground conditions. Watch one backhoe operator help another backhoe out of the mud. Please watch the video to the end. The most epic moments are ahead. If the zombie apocalypse comes, a car like this will come in handy. Note the soil on which this loader travels. It's so mobile it's like jelly. See how skillfully the excavator driver stacks logs in the back of the truck. These are floating excavators. The amazing thing about this video is how they paddle their buckets like oars. These excavators can stay on the surface of the water and dig from the bottom. This crane driver is definitely having a bad day. I hope he's all right, which is not the case with these boats. That's how the ground is poured when building roads. See how one heavy machine helps another heavy machine to get out. In high winds, the building structure could not withstand the load and collapsed. These workers damaged the water pipe, and now they don't know what to do. One of the cutest videos ever. A small bulldozer picks up rubble in a pile at the bottom of a cargo barge. This bulldozer is buried in the sand and can't get out. Ordinary machines on wheels can't go through this kind of mud. You have to use tracked bulldozers. See how this equipment bites through chunks of concrete. This claw is a hydraulic demolition hammer capable of breaking through hard surfaces such as rocks, frozen ground, and the like. And here we come to the end of the video. So the correct answer to the riddle is a machine control lever. The machine control lever is always in front of the operator, but they cannot physically reach it, as it is designed to be operated from a safe distance. The lever is powerful and strong, as it controls the movement of heavy machinery, but it is also fragile and can break easily if mishandled. Finally, the pressure required to move the lever is relatively small, but too much pressure or force in the wrong direction can cause it to fail. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel. Bye.